What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn this font into this font. Can you see the ligation, the connection between the letters? This is a typography tip that is hidden on Canva, and most of the pro designers do this to make their fonts looks more professional, looks more stylish, looks more elegant. I'm using the Boston font. Okay, you can type your text just like this. Select the font, change the color of the font, and here is the trick. Okay, you can click on the font. Let me just make it a little smaller, just like this. Let me turn it bigger. Click on the font on the text you type, then review the upper side of your screen. We have the font selector, the size, the color, the bold, italic, and right here we have this advanced settings icon, the T with these two arrows. Click on it and you can change the letter spacing, the line spacing, you can change the anchor, and now you can go to more settings. If you click on more settings, you're going to be able to see some options right here. The text position, and on typography we have ligatures, and here is the guy that I'm looking for. As you can see, we can use the ligatures of the fonts. Okay, this circles right here. Can you see the difference? This is in, this is out, in and out. After doing the change, all you have to do is unclick and you are good to go. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.